Hi you guys, and welcome back to Nikko House to Home. We had the honor of staying at this little villa while we was on vacation. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the tour of the villa. It was so nice. It was a 3-bedroom 2-bath home. It was just a beautiful little thing. Enjoy the music, and I'll see you on the next clip. On this clip, we was headed back home. Nobody was more excited than me to see this man's face here that you're gonna see in the next clip. So you know how you go to nice places, it give you inspiration. You want to come back to your house and do just something that you seen there. Everything was so nice, so I was just like, I gotta clean, I gotta do something to make this house feel refreshed. So I repainted where my chairs used to be. Like the walls had got nicked up from where the chairs used to be, so I just repainted a little bit. Then then I took my time and refreshed my entryway by putting another flower arrangement on my entryway table, and also putting these 3 candlesticks that I've been having for years and years and years on that entryway table. I hope you guys enjoy it. So then I just took my time and cleaned my mirror, so it could be clean, nice and fresh when you come in and out the door. You could look at yourself. Don't mind my hair. I had took that wig off, honey. Whew. And that was that. So this is how that is looking all together with the flower arrangements and the candlesticks and the key catcher and my 2 lamps. So yes, I really enjoyed this look. And then we're going to give you another tour of some more flowers that I made again. So by the way, when I came home, my other flowers had wilted, so Ishmael went and got me another batch of flowers from his mom, and we just did the same thing we did in the other video. And if you want to see that, I'll put it in the icon above. So you guys know I introduced this Lazy Susan to you guys, and now I'm going to introduce some plates that my sister bought me for Mother's Day. They are Home Sweet Home plates, and it's a set of 4. And then I just want to put my cake on top of it to make it just look so cute, so whimsical. I am in love with this look, you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Also gave me these plastic containers for Ishmael when he's taking his food to lunch. With lunch to work. He could put his lunch in there, and then they ain't plastic, they glass. He will have these for a mighty long time if he choose not to lose them, because that's what my husband do. He loses stuff. I'm gonna let y'all see. From her, and you get 5 rolls, 5 leaves, so they just go like that. Like he could take his leaves, some sauce, or either a little bit of vegetables that he really don't like, but he'll eat them just because I cook them. Bigger vegetables. You could take, whatever he decides to take. See, these are just some things that she got for me. So he could take like his meats in there, vegetables in there, bread or whatever, the next thing in there, and then the sauce. So that is that. This was one of my mother gifts, as well as the plates that you guys have seen. So, yeah. Okay, you guys, that's what my week consisted of. This is one of my favorite things in this house this week. So be blessed, you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a great one.